In this tutorial, we will have a look at how Vertex handles video effects. There are three different ways of handling video effects inside of Vertex. As you can see, I have already put 3 clip containers onto my timeline. I will now click on the first one. And there are a few video effects which you will need on pretty much every production you do. So for example, some basic color correction, some cropping, or some levels correction. All of these effects are applied to each clip container as soon as you add it to the timeline. So as soon as you have to do an adjustment, for example, to saturation, it's just there at the tip of your fingers. A second type of video effect can be found in the library browser. So if you switch to library, switch to video effects, you will see a short collection of different video effects you can apply. For example, I can now drag and drop the invert effect onto this clip container and it will automatically invert the color space. All video effects you add this way can then be found in the video tab under video effects, where you can either turn them on and off or manipulate the parameters, such as in this case the mix level of the effect. A third type of effect or shader are the generative shaders. For example, I have now selected this clip container and will drag and drop the test pattern shader onto this. Now, in real time, a test pattern is generated in the size of this clip container. As soon as I click on this clip container, I can now switch to the video effects tab and can see different parameters I can use to manipulate the effect. For example, I can now fade in the color bars or change the color of my grid I would like to work with.